Thank you so much, sir, for calling me because here is many students, but you have called me, so it is my lucky chance. I am going to tell about my introduction. This is Utkarsh from Fluent Spoken Classes. Uh, to this is Utkarsh from Fluent Spoken Classes. I wanted to tell one topic because my sir had given one topic, so I will tell to you. You should listen properly. Thereafter, you will bring home what have I spoken. Okay. Hmm. I'm going to tell. Firstly, you should tell your full introduction. Don't interrupt. But why? Don't interrupt. But why? Who are you? If you will interrupt right now, who are you? Firstly, tell me. I will speak because it is not your cup of tea right now. You can interrupt. When you speak, then we can understand what is going on. Okay, sir. Right? Speak. Video चल रहा है ना? Okay, sir. Okay. Our public is wanted to take top post, but our public, our people cannot take all where I can top post, top post. Hmm. Our people is wanted to take top post, but our people cannot take because if our people, all people, yeah, they will take. Thereafter, they will show them power. So only one people can get post because if I will ask who is Sudeep and who is me, so you will speak. You don't know. You will speak. But if I will ask who is Prime Minister of India, definitely you will say he Narendra Modi because it is not power of Narendra Modi. It is a power of post because uh, mm, someday, yeah, some year ago, you don't know who is Modi, but right now you know who is Narendra Modi because it is a power of post and top post. Mm. He will, yeah, he will sit and on the top, on the top of, but on the top of, if they will do hurt to hurt. Thereafter, they can get top post. If he will not do hard work and head and shoulder, head and shoulder, else, yeah, else he can not get top post because without doing a first yeah, without doing at a stage, he will not bring home. What should he do, what shouldn't he do? Then he will sees difficult situation. Then he will bring home. What should he do? Hmm. What should Hmm. If good people will get this post, thereafter he will think about country and about people because he he will good good man. That's enough. Sir, what is meaning of prasansa? Praise. Yeah. Praise. That's enough. अब तो बहुत शांत लग रहा है ना। Look here, brother. Yes, sir. ज्ञान की कीमत सब नहीं करते, सबके बस की बात भी नहीं। ज्ञानी होना बड़ी बात है। ट्यूशन वाले Would you like to ask me any question?
What do you want to become?
Prime Minister of India.
Prime Minister of India. Can you tell me that how will you become?
I will become, when I will become, then I will tell you.
No, firstly you can
Firstly,
tell
if,
you don't know.
listen,
You
no,
don't
how
know
is that I don't
how
know?
will
Hello, how is that I don't know?
Yeah, how will
Well,
you become?
How will I become? By means of skill, by means of
According to
skill.
me, it is not your cup of tea, okay?
No, I am not asking to you. You shouldn't give me
Yeah.
advice, because if I will
I
ask to
am
you,
not
thereafter
giving
you should
advice.
give me
I am-
advice.
I am
Huh?
speaking
So who is
to
asking to?
you.
It is my cup of tea. It is not my cup of tea.
Don't speak. Firstly,
Only you will speak at a stage.
why will you become?
For the sake
Why
of,
will you become?
for the sake of power.
Power.
Yeah.
Which type of power?
If I will become Prime Minister of India, thereafter I can kill to you.
No, Narendra Modi cannot kill to her.
Do you know
Are you listening, Harvard?
Do you know what is
Sorry, he
the
what?
power of Prime Minister? Mr. Garu, you know that about it?
But listen.
He will become
help.
But Narendra Modi can get kill to see.
What about tuition? Tuition.
What is the power?
I will kill you.
He said that I will kill her.
No. I can get killed to her. Her.
Meaning is not that. No, किल होने का तो नहीं है. Now though I will get your assassinate. हिंदी में मरवा दूंगा आपको. Assassinate क्या होता
मरवा.
है? जान से मरवाना किसी
Okay.
और के द्वारा. But ये बताओ,
Yes.
you are Prime Minister and will think about this time में.
No, sir. Right now he is.
Please, what are you saying?
She is in that what is power. But right now I haven't become so all I tell to see. If I will speak this type, so
But
she will
you
speak.
don't
It is
know.
not your cup of tea. You can
No,
become.
you don't know, so how will you become? Because you don't know anything. That how will you become and how will you?
Well, no, what will you do if you are asking to me? You know.
I will not become. Okay.
So doesn't
Not
matter
this type,
if
okay?
you don't. If I will tell, so thereafter you will speak. While speaking this type, if you don't know, so you should trust over me. Whatever I am speaking, it is right.
Because it is not your cup of tea. According to me, that is
Who
why
is
I am
asking to?
speaking
Who
this
is
type.
asking to? It is my cup of tea. Yeah, it is not my cup of tea.
No, it is your not cup of tea because I am looking at your personality and you are speaking this type that I will kill you. Before I will become Prime Minister. So
Okay.
it is not your cup of tea that you will become and you will kill me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, what is mean that okay?
ठीक है. What's happened?
No,
You are
okay,
speaking.
okay.
You are speaking. We are accepting. What's happened?
Okay, what will you become?
Again and again you will ask. Thereafter I will tell again and again. But it is not my.
Okay. Can you tell me Hindi of okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Doesn't matter.
अच्छा. चलो.
Okay, so can you tell me that clarification? No. Us?
You will tell. Thereafter they will ask.
So,
Wait a minute.
by means of whom have you written your topic?
Topic. Topic.
Yeah.
By means of my mind.
By means of your mind.
Yeah.
So can you speak by means of your mind?
Yeah, I can speak definitely.
So you are not to listen.
But I have spoken.
But I have come late.
If you have come late, so I will speak again and again.
So I want to listen. So you have written.
So doesn't matter why have you come late. You should come.
You have if you have written by means of your mind, so you can
Yeah.
speak again.
So, but I was speaking by means of my mind. Right now, if I will speak again, so thereafter I will.
But listen, I have come sometime late, but I was looking that you were reading by means of your book and
No. You can look whatever I was speaking. I was not speaking in my copy.
I was not looking. Okay, but I was looking that you are.
Only I was looking. You can look whatever I was speaking. It is. I haven't written in my copy.
Okay.
So I have written
Because
why have you taken
something.
by your mind na
For the sake of madam, if I want written, thereafter my sir will not call here. If I will not,
will call you.
no sir will not call you. If yeah, but my teacher will decide. But it is a rule of if I will Write thereafter my sir will call. If I will not write thereafter, my sir will not call.
Sir, I am unable to read that because we are making.
No.
For making, I can speak.
No. If you will come thereafter, I will look whatever you will speak. I will care.
Yes. What will
Thereafter, I
you
will
speak?
speak.
What will you?
Whatever you will speak.
Yeah. Whatever I will speak.
Yeah, because you have also made a topic. How, by means of mind, by means of
whatever I am speaking, while looking I can speak. But
while looking. Right now you are speaking while looking.
No, I am not speaking, but it is not.
What are you speaking?
Wait, listen.
What are you speaking?
Whenever I will go there, then no, I will look, and after that I will.
Okay, you should. I am hankering after listening your words. When will you speak frequently? Only you.
While looking or while thinking, I can speak good English.
Yeah.
I can speak. I can make my story. So I am not speaking this type. So to speak this type, then it will take good ideas. If you will not speak this type, how can you say that you will get such ideas?
But I have spoken or not?
Yes, you have spoken. I know that you have spoken. Whatever you are speaking is right. But you should speak this type by means of mind and by means of written. I can
No.
speak.
By means of written, what is mean of?
Right. By means of right. I can speak.
Yeah. So what have I spoken? I have spoken by means of mind. I have.
Yes, you have.
I was speaking.
What have you written? What have you written? Your
For the sake of coming
But I
here.
am looking that you are looking
Yeah.
in your copy. Listen.
But you have written a topic, but you should care on your mind. If I will go there, by means of mind and by means of whatever I am written, whatever.
It is not matter.
Whatever I have written, whatever I have written.
Whatever I have written, whatever I have written, I can speak. You should speak this time.
Okay, what is ramification for speaking English?
I don't know what is meaning of ramification. Will you tell? No, I will not ask. There's a matter. If you will not tell, it is your question. We are asking to you what you are not telling, so it doesn't matter.
Let me speak. Don't speak. Firstly,
Okay.
You have spoken that would you like to ask me question?
Yeah. So you should ask. Listen. If I don't know, so I can ask to you.
But why?
Because
But why?
while accepting, I can ask.
No.
It is the rule of
No.
PD. It is the rule of PD.
You can ask me.
You can ask your teacher. You can ask my teacher. You can ask my
Your
teacher.
problem, not my problem.
No, so it doesn't matter. It is my problem. So why about this matter?
Why are you speaking this type? That
Which type
doesn't
are you
matter.
speaking?
Okay, why are you speaking this type? That doesn't matter.
Listen. It is my fault.
This type matter. Okay. So firstly you should speak.
So, but I was not speaking. Doesn't matter. I was speaking why from this matter.
I think
You should listen proper way.
You have listened, doesn't matter or not?
I haven't listened because we are doing this work.
Okay, leave this matter because he has.
By the way, why don't
he has
this matter?
not
Okay.
able, so what can I do?
Who is not able? He is very able. How is that he is not able? Have you?
I am a
You
level
have
to listen.
listened.
Okay,
or not?
listen.
You have listened.
He hasn't listened. You should speak this type. He is not able to listen. You shouldn't speak this type. He is not able. What will I think? By means of for whom he is not able.
Why are you much? Because I am not asking this matter. Okay, don't speak.
But we are telling on this matter.
Leave this matter.
By the way, why about this matter? By the way, why about this matter? We are also saying by the way, why about this matter? But you are not accepting. So what can I do?
You have spoken that would you like to ask me any question?
Yeah, so you should ask.
I can ask or not?
Yeah, you can ask.
Yeah, so
But if I don't know, so thereafter I can ask.
You can ask your teacher.
Listen. Let me speak. If I was one minute. Listen.
Because you have spoken, so yeah, I am.
While accept, listen. If I don't know, while accepting, I can ask to you. Okay.
I will not speak frequently because you never.
Why will you not speak frequently?
Frequently means that you haven't said. You haven't said frequently.
What have I haven't frequently? What do you want to ask? What do you want to ask? What do you want to
Why
ask?
are you not speaking without any reason?
What will you do? Why are you asking why I am laughing? Because I am not laughing more.
Oh, you are not laughing.
Yeah.
Oh, I am blind. Are you speaking this time that I am speaking without any reason?
Yeah, you are speaking without a reason.
Okay, I think are you psycho? Okay, because I.
It's not your fault. Listen. Let me speak. If I want to speak, only you will speak.
No, you are creating, okay, and you can look via YouTube, okay.
So it doesn't matter.
This time,
But
and firstly,
okay.
you will have to speak that. Can I ask question or not? Because
You can ask. Listen. You can ask, but if I don't know, so while accepting, I can also ask to you.
But
Okay.
why? But why? It is not matter because
It is a very matter.
I think you should speak this time that would you like to ask me question? If I don't know, so
But
you will have
you know
to
what is
reply.
listen.
Firstly,
You know what is the rule of PD. You know what is the rule of PD.
You know.
Yeah, I know. I know.
You know.
That's
Speak, bro. Because I am talking for this single word.
We don't know, can you tell me?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
What is the rule of PD?
Whatever I know, I will try to tell.
No, you don't
Yeah.
know.
But
You
why
know all the
you
PD.
don't like
You
it?
don't know what I will tell. You will have to
Because
tell.
you
Yeah, you have to tell. If I will.
because you will have to speak this time that I do you know?
I know something in you. Who had spoken? Who had spoken to you?
Firstly speak.
What to speak?
What is rule of
But
PD?
we are-
Because
we are-
you have spoken.
Okay.
Speak, bro. I am talking for listening your word. Don't speak. Yes, speak.
While listening, you will accept.
Yeah, but
Whatever rule.
Yeah. You are speaking right wrong. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Firstly, you should speak.
So
I think you don't.
if listen, I will try to tell.
It is not right.
Yeah. I will try to tell. If you will ask to any question to me, yeah, who has come here, if you will ask any question, thereafter if he will know, thereafter he will accept he don't know, thereafter he can also, yeah, he doesn't know, thereafter he can also ask to you while accepting.
While accepting. Okay.
Yeah.
But
It is a rule of
Yeah.
who has spoken this time? That it is rule of PD.
who had told you, bro?
My sir.
My sir, okay, you can ask me teacher.
No, if I know, so why will I
I
ask?
have not listened, sir. What?
So it doesn't matter. You should ask. You haven't
But
listened.
why?
Because you haven't listened. You haven't listened. No. Because you haven't listened. It is.
But why? I have
What,
not
but why?
listened to your personal word. Sorry, I have not listened, sir. But that is why I am speaking this time. You can ask your teacher.
Why are you speaking at a stage? Because only you are speaking.
Yeah, of course. What's happened? Only you had spoken that. Would you like to ask any question? Yeah, I will
But
ask.
if I will.
I will ask.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
happened and what is your problem?
No.
I will not
Listen.
speak much. I will not speak much.
You can speak, but you should speak gradually. If you will ask,
But
if you will speak at a stage, thereafter how will I speak? How will I give you
You
answer?
are custom to speak.
What is speaking that share? Hello. It's not your home. It is. You cannot speak this day.
No, you are.
This is coaching.
You have no custom to speak. Yeah.
What I custom to? Who is asking to you? Who is asking to you? Without reason you cannot tell. Okay. Without reason you cannot tell. So why are you looking me? Why are you looking me? Why are you looking? You should tell.
My mistake.
Yeah.
What is your feeling?
I have told I won't tell frequently.